Andre as a moderator, and my team, Abdillah Alasdi, Irfan Caniagan, Industrianto, Awal Aksen, and the last one, Aide. So, let's begin our presentation. First will be presented by Aide.
About purpose. The purpose of this project is to develop and improve the Cartesian machine from semester 1 by implementing a conventional control system with auto and manual operating model. This project focuses on improving electrical wiring, control system, mechanical rigidity, and machine operation reliability on the X and Z axis. Of this project, students are expected to gain deeper understanding of conventional electrical control system, relay and contactor logic, auto or manual machine operation, mechanical and electrical integration, troubleshooting, and system testing. The objective of this project are to implement a conventional control system on existing X and Z Cartesian machine. To complete the final objective of the semester 2 EPL project, which include electrical, mechanical, and sequential requirement to develop advanced skill in complex relay-based batching circuit, where management for automatic sequencing and control panel assembly, to implement occupational safety, teamwork, and proper project documentation of the project to achieve functional integration between manual push button operate and automate limit switch drive cycles for Cartesian machine operation.
Project workflow presentation by me. Observation and planning. To understanding the issues, scope, and guidelines. Designing mechanical and electrical system. Manufacturing components according to design. Assembly and electrical, mechanical assembly, and manual control wiring. Evaluation, testing functionality, and suitability with a checklist. Division objective of labor. Mechanical assembly, PIC is Irfan and team member Andre and Mingus. They are responsible for designing the structure of the Cartesian machine, including the layout of the X and Z axis, as well as preparing the acrylic cutting design. Mechanical design planning, PIC, is Abdillah Al-Habsi. They are responsible for gathering all necessary materials and tools and ensuring that all components are available during the process. Electrical assembly, PIC, Aidil Muhammad Hafiz and team member is Irfan. They are responsible for assembling and connecting electronic components and ensuring correct wiring for control system. Documentation and analysis, PIC, Andre and team member Awal Aksen. They are responsible for documenting each stage of the project through photographs, notes, and progress report. And the last, electrical design, PIC, Abdillah Al-Hafsi. They are responsible for logic control design relay-based sequential control and batching circuit for X and Z axis automation. Sensor integration, implementing limit switch as safety breakers and motion triggers for precise positioning. Safety interlock, engineering relay interlocks to prevent simultaneous motor active and circuit failures. Project workflow present by Irfan.
Okay, everybody, in week 1 and 2, we dedicated the first 2 weeks to a comprehensive literature study. It was essential for us to solidify our theoretical understanding of percussion machine before moving into the technical design. Week 3 and until 7, we do design and execution. Starting from week 3, we initiated the design planning. That space continues through. In week 7, we chose the approach to allow the iterative design, meaning we can refine our blueprint as we encounter new work challenge during the assembly. In week 4 until 7, physical and assembly, the actual construction and equipment placement in week 4. Currently, we are synchronizing the final assembly with process reporting to ensure every component is calibrated correctly by the end of the timeline.
This is design mechanical.
This mechanical design relates to design of using AutoCAD software. The first design is to the acrylic frame that functions as the main structure of the project, while the second design is a 3D model that will be printed and used as a part and holder for pencil and bearing. This design was made to ensure the project has a stable structure and proper component placement. And then for the electrical design, we redesigned the circuit from the module using Precision software. In this system, a button switch is used to separate the operation between coil 1 and coil 2. Coil 1 is connected to a push button to control the motor in manual mode, while coil 2 is connected to a limit switch to operate the motor automatically. This design allows the system to operate in both manual and automatic modes according to the user's needs.
Our progress will be present by Awal.
Our progress was on observation and planning from week 1 to week 3. Literature study, review of the semester 1 machine condition and study of relay-based control systematic of the identified component needed for the semester 2. Week 2, planning, design planning. Planning the overall system designs, including electrical, wiring, layout, and mechanical modification required for the new control system. Week 3, equipment placement planning. Planning the physical placement of all new components, motor, push button, limit switches, selector switch, and wiring threads on the machine frame. Phase 2, design and assembly. From week 4 to week 8. Week 4, construction design stage. Finalization of wiring design based on relay systematic and mechanical mounting layout for all additional components. Week 5, equipment placement in the assembly. Installation of motor, limit switches, push button, and selector switch onto the machine frame following the planned layout. Week 6 to week 7, equipment placement, assembly, plus presentation progress. Continued assembly and wiring, followed by an intern progress presentation to report on the current status of the project. Week 8, assembly completion plus benchmark presentation. Final assembly, function check, and benchmark presentation to evaluate the machine overall readiness and compliance with the Pebble checklist.
Project scope will be present by Nimbus.
project scope, mechanical scope, Cartesian machine, structure improvement, X axis and Z axis, alignment, adjustment, ball screw positioning, and support reinforcement, machine rigidity and stability improvement. Electrical scope, conventional relay-based control wiring, push button and selector switch installation, cable routing and socket or school implementation, positive and negative cable identification. Project scope status, mechanical assembly 60%, electrical basic wiring 50%, automation system and sensors not included in the project scope. Project scope details. In the mechanical system, the Cartesian machine structure has been successfully assembled and reinforced. X-axis and Z-axis ball screw position have been aligned to improve movement stability. Support dimension, chamfer and fillet. Structure were adjusted according to the checklist requirements. In the electrical system, conventional control wiring has been installed using relay socket and organized cable routing. Positive and negative wiring identification has been applied using red and blue cables. Push buttons, selector switch, and relay control system have been connected according to the schematic design. Control system scope, manual movement control system, auto or manual selector operation, sequential movement logic for X and Z X, limit switch, sensor integration. On the evaluation scope is wiring inspection and troubleshooting, movement interaction and response testing, mechanical alignment checking. Knowledge gain. Understanding relay-based conventional control circuit logic for directional motor, control on X and Z X, interpreting and partially implementing electrical schematics with multiple contactors and interlocking logic. Increase application for demo coordination across an expanded group. Reinforce awareness of KV occupational safety and 5S workplace organization during assembly.
Thank you. That's all our presentation. Any question?
Izin bertanya, selama pengerjaan 7 minggu ini, bagian yang paling mana yang paling kalian banggakan dari proyek kali ini?
Banggakan.
Ya.
Kelas.
Belum ada.
Kemungkinan kami bangga sih dalam perakitan relay, kabel-kabelnya. Jadi teman-teman pada udah tahu kan gimana.
Barangnya mana nih barangnya nih? Waduh. Ayo, coba. Yang dibanggakan harus dilihat. Dibanggakan harus dilihatkan. Nah, depannya. Bangga sih aku. Bangga.
Bangga sih.
yang kami banggakan itu dalam mengerjakan relay dan kabel-kabelnya. Jadi teman-teman pada udah tahu bagaimana dalam pemasangan dan cara kerja relay tersebut.
Narik dia.
Jawabannya sudah terjawab.
Nah, baru satu.
Next question.
Satu tuh.
Saya mau bertanya,
Kelompok dua
itu
loh.
kan
Aduh,
masih
Cok.
elektrikal yang relay-relay aja. Terus kontrolnya rencana kalian mau taruh di mana?
Dipisahkan gitu. Kalau pas button sama ini ya, button switchnya. Ada
Jadi bisa
pasangnya lagi.
ada box sendiri di luar itu.
Ada box sendiri lagi di luar ini.
Oke, thank you.
Oke.
Question.
Standar safety apa yang sudah kalian gunakan selama pengerjaan?
Apa?
Dan benar kan?
Standar.
sertifikasi ISO.
Overclaim.
Untuk safety-nya kami baru dalam perkabelan kami pakai skun biar aman nggak
Strom.
ya apa serbu-serbu
Oh,
Nyebar.
ya
Oke.
baru skun aja.
Oh,
Rencana nanti pun kami tutupin di sini pakai acrylic biar aman.
oke. Terima kasih.
Oke. Itu biasanya dari apa tuh? Akrilik apa? Reflect? PVC?
Ini apa lemari gitu pak?
Kayak lemari.
Papan lemari. Gampang patah lah nih, aman.
Aman, Pak.
Putih.
Kami ambil dari Tamiya, Pak.